Ever wonder why some people seem unstoppable, while others spend years chasing success but never quite catch it? It's not luck. It's not intelligence. It's focus. The rare ability to lock in on one goal and refuse to be distracted is what separates the top 2% from everyone else. But here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. The world today is designed to destroy your focus. Every ping, every scroll, every notification, it's pulling you further away from the life you're trying to build. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you why most people never reach success and how you can escape that trap using one of the most powerful forces on earth, the power of focus. By the end, you'll see why focus is your most valuable currency and how mastering it can make you unstoppable. The problem: why most people fail. Let's be real. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're distracted. We live in a world where you can lose 3 hours before breakfast just scrolling. You might even have 10 goals, but no clear direction. And here's the paradox. The more options you have, the less progress you make. You've probably heard someone say, "I'm working on something big." Ask them a month later, and they're working on something else big. Focus isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it with relentless consistency. Here's a hard truth. Your attention is your most valuable asset. The average person's attention span is shorter than that of a goldfish, and yet we wonder why results never come. Let's look at the ultra-successful. People like Warren Buffett or Elon Musk. They're not just smart, they're focused. Buffett once said, "The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything." That's it. They protect their attention like their life depends on it, because it does. So ask yourself, what's stealing your focus? Is it Netflix? Social media? The fear of missing out? Here's a challenge. For just 7 days, cut one major distraction from your life. Watch how much mental clarity you gain. You'll realize how powerful your mind is when it's not being hijacked every 5 seconds. Here's how to master focus and finally get the results you want. Step 1. Pick one mission, not 5, not 10, just one. Write it down. Make it your North Star and filter every decision through that goal. Step 2. Design your environment. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Remove distractions, turn off notifications, and set up your space to make focus automatic. Step 3. Build momentum. The hardest part of staying focused is starting. But once you build momentum, it's like pushing a snowball downhill. Every small action compounds. And finally, step 4. Protect your energy. Sleep, diet, exercise, they all fuel your focus. A tired mind can't stay consistent. When you start living with true focus, you'll notice everything changes. Your decisions get sharper, your goals get clearer, and success stops feeling like a dream. It becomes inevitable. Most people drift through life, pulled by distractions, until they lose their direction entirely. But not you. Not anymore. You've just learned the secret weapon that 98% of people ignore.